Today we have the van with the blacked out wheels. Well, on one side at least. The other side is still silver. New DSP. New DSP. What's up? It's future me. I'm editing this video and I just wanted to include one more part that I didn't actually talk about during my route. If you saw my last Amazon video, you will remember that my DSP's contract got terminated. Basically, I took a month off, I transferred DSPs. Real quick, I just want to go over the process. Someone just walked behind me. What the? Really quick, I just want to talk about the process of transferring DSPs so that this video is actually somewhat useful. First thing you need to know, after 90 days of not taking a route, you basically have to start from scratch, do your training again, all that stuff. So here's basically what I had to do to transfer. So new Flex account, new Mentor account, and new ADP account, which is how my DSP tracks all of our payment and all that stuff. I also had to go take another drug test, all paid and everything, by the way. And then I just had to submit some paperwork, fill out a W-4. That was pretty much it. That is the one good thing. If you have to transfer for one reason or another, the process is pretty smooth. There's a little bit on what to expect. In the transit vans for now, because they don't have any step vans. Starting to get nice out again. Good to be back on the road. A little bit sore. It's only my second week. But yeah, we're getting it done. Let's go. It's funny. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just walked up that big hill. It's funny because even though I switched DSPs, my route last week was like the same route I've always had, so the computer knows. So yeah, even today, we were in Queen Anne a little bit with my old company, and I'm in Queen Anne again today. Please place in the milk box. Okay, got it. Oh wait. Whoa. I've never been down here. That's cool. There is the Fremont Bridge. We're walking this one, baby. Got the new delivery sneaks. I was wearing Converse all the time and my knees were getting really sore, like everybody said they would. So finally got some real shoes. The Bezos ones. Last two in this residential area. Next, apartments. Those are some crazy stairs. There we go. It's 2:41. I got to the station at 7. I think my first stop was around 8:30 or something. And we're done. We had 96 stops. Very chill day, but you know, you never know what you're gonna get. Apartments are weird. Even the houses, I swear I've climbed like 50 flights of stairs today just because of the area. It's super nice out. We'll see if we get a rescue, but I think we might be heading in a little early. This is how you know you got here early. Lots looking pretty empty. Here's one of the bigger step vans. Looks basically the same inside, but I think it's based on the Ford, I'm not gonna get this right, E49, E59 or something. The step vans I was driving, it was a E450 chassis, slightly different. I think the E450 is less heavy duty. Dropped off my keys, another successful day. Of course there's an airplane, because there always is. There's a heron. Gonna catch this bus. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I never know what to say. All right.